AndroidWhere project, I save it as 2 because I made changes to how some of the components are named. The changes reflect similarities between labels related to current location and labels related to remembered location. We see that there's a similarity between what we have here, top portion of the user interface and bottom portion of the user interface. In essence, we have 2 heading labels, both using the font bold. Current location heading, the other one is called remembered location heading, also bold. For current location, we have 2 arrangements, one with 2 labels, the other one with 4 labels. For remembered location, we also have 2 horizontal arrangements, one with 2 labels and the other one with 4 labels. For the first horizontal arrangement, the current address label has we call it static text value, doesn't change during when we run the app, and the same for remembered address label, the predefined text address, while the other one, in both cases, current address data and remembered address data, it is initially display the value unknown, but we use the word data to suggest that this label is going to display address data through the location sensor and from GPS data read with the location sensor. The other horizontal arrangement has 4 labels, 2 of them GPS and comma are predefined to improve readability of the actual values, latitude and longitude for current and latitude and longitude for remembered, initially 0.0 in all cases, but then showing current latitude, longitude GPS data. In the interface, we also see in the component designer, we also see 3 non-visible components. Location sensor is used to read GPS data, TinyDB to store the data in the database, and Activity Starter, which is a very useful component to launch other apps installed on our mobile devices. And the information, the data or values that have to be set for these 3 properties of Activity Starter indicate that we are interested in com.google.android apps maps, and from that package we are going to use maps activity and view action with regard to displaying a map.